Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best stencils review is probably one of the most versatile tools for artists, crafters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to add intricate designs to your artwork, create custom patterns on fabric, or decorate your home with unique accents, stencils offer a world of creative possibilities. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of stencils, exploring different types, materials, and techniques to help you find the perfect stencil for your next project. Number 5. Mr. Pen Letter Stencils, 12-pack, 4x7 inch. Introducing the Mr. Pen Letter Stencils. This pack includes 12 stencils, perfect for all your lettering needs. It's a great tool for various projects. Inside, you'll find a complete set of alphabet, number, and symbol templates. They are designed to be versatile and easy to use for all kinds of projects. Each stencil measures 4 by 7 inches, making it easy to handle and store. This size is ideal for a wide range of applications. These stencils work well with pens, gel mediums, sprays, and more. You can use it with ink, texture pastes, chalk, mists, and acrylic paint. The AZ letters range from 0.37 to 0.63 inches. The AZ letters range from 0.25 to 0.53 inches. Numbers and symbols range from 0.25 to 0.65 inches, providing a variety of sizes for your creative projects. What we like. This stencil set offers a wide range of letter sizes, perfect for various projects. It's also compatible with many different mediums, from paint to sprays. If you're working on detailed lettering or need flexibility in your artistic approach, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice lettering stencil, sturdy and easy to use. Multiple fonts for good variability. I used the stencils to personalize gift bags with people's names, and they turned out absolutely perfect. The finished result looked so clean, almost as if the names had been typed, which gave the gift welcome bag such a professional touch. What I really appreciate is the variety of letters and numbers included in the set. No matter what name or word I needed, the stencils had the perfect fit. Number 4. Reusable Mandala Stencils, 16 PCS. These stencils are made of PET material and crafted with a grinding process. This ensures the edges are smooth, making it safe for both you and your children to use. It's designed for long-lasting use. The set includes 16 different mandala patterns and shapes, perfect for adding variety to your projects. These designs will bring fun and creativity to your daily life. Each stencil measures about 5.9 by 5.9 inches, making them easy to handle and store. The size is ideal for various art projects, allowing you to create beautiful designs effortlessly. These stencils work well with most pens, including fine point markers, ballpoint pens, and colored pencils. You can use whatever pen you have on hand to create your art. The stencils are perfect for pigment painting, scrapbooking, and card making. You can also use them for fabric painting and wall decor, expanding the possibilities of your art. What we like. These stencils feature beautiful mandala patterns, ideal for creating intricate designs. The edges are designed to be safe for kids. If you enjoy creating detailed art projects like scrapbooking or card making, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This stencil set is fantastic, especially for the price. There are many patterns of different styles. I can usually find one that exactly matches the aesthetic of the particular project I'm creating. They are sturdy and clean easily. Great convenient size too. The material is sturdy and I anticipate being able to use these multiple times. They are good for using on walls, furniture, and many other craft projects and home decor. Great options, I would recommend. They are sturdy and the collection offers a good variety of both square and round patterns. Number 3. Christmas Stencil 16 PCS 5 by 5 inches for DIY projects. Introducing a set of 16 Christmas stencils, perfect for your holiday DIY projects. This set offers a great variety of designs to bring festive cheer to your creations. Each stencil features a 5 by 5 inch design, ideal for various projects. Whether you're decorating cards or ornaments, this size is perfect for adding a touch of Christmas spirit. Made from durable, reusable polyester film, this product is built to last. It won't rip or tear, and it's easy to clean and store for future use. Using this product is simple. Just place it flat, secure it with tape, and start creating. Use colored pencils or markers to bring your designs to life. These stencils are great for all types of DIY projects. Use them on wood, fabric, walls, and more to create your own unique holiday decor. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This set is filled with festive Christmas designs, perfect for holiday DIY projects. It's made of durable, reusable material, so you can use it year after year. If you love creating personalized Christmas cards or decorations, this is the one for you. What people say. The stencils are easy to use and clean. The stencils are well made and the designs are beautiful. The stencils are perfect for my needs. Number 2. Letter stencils for painting on wood, 42 pack. Introducing a versatile set of stencils designed to bring your artistic visions to life. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of letters, numbers, and signs, perfect for any project. This set offers a complete collection of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and common signs. It comes in multiple fonts and sizes to meet your diverse needs. These stencils are incredibly easy to use, saving you time and effort on your crafts. Simply place them on your chosen surface and start painting. They are also reusable and easy to store. Crafted from high-quality mylar material, these stencils are durable, washable, and tear-resistant. The laser-cut design ensures safety while providing a precise and natural finish. Use these stencils on various surfaces, including wood, paper, fabric, and walls. They are ideal for creating signs, decorations, and personalized gifts. Share the joy of creativity by gifting this set to friends and family. Imagine the wonderful art they can create with it. What we like. This stencil set offers a variety of fonts and sizes, giving you plenty of creative options. Made from durable mylar, it's designed to last. If you're looking for a comprehensive set for wood burning or wall art, you should consider this one. What people say. The variety of font sizes and styles provided an excellent opportunity to create diverse design variations. Furthermore, the material proved to be highly durable and effortless to clean. They're very durable and thick. Number 1. Zonon 16 PCS Inspirational Word Stencil. Unleash your inner artist with these stencils. This set includes 16 reusable stencils, perfect for various DIY projects. Made from durable polyester film, they are flexible and easy to clean. You can use them again and again for all your creative endeavors. Use them on wood signs, walls, or even fabric. The possibilities are endless with these stencils. They are suitable for many different DIY projects. Each stencil has a hole for easy storage, and an open ring is included. It's practical and easy to use in your daily life. Create personalized gifts or decorate your own space. Share the joy of crafting with family and friends. Have a happy DIY time together. What we like. This set features inspirational quotes, perfect for adding a positive message to your projects. It's easy to clean and store, making it convenient for everyday use. If you want to add motivational words to your crafts, you should consider it. What people say. The designs are crisp and easy to work with, making it simple to create clean, professional-looking results on my paintings. All ages of children and adults were able to use these easily to decorate boxes for love packs, food boxes that go home with food-insecure kids during school breaks. Makes decorating boxes so much easier and faster. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.